Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in sentiment at plus 0.14 and momentum at plus 0.32, both of which are well above the historical baseline. This isn't just a small fluctuation, it suggests a significant shift in sentiment toward finance. You'll also notice that our API identifies 20 semantic clusters, indicating diverse topics capturing this sentiment surge. So, what does our API return? It provides you with a comprehensive breakdown of sentiment, momentum, and topic clusters, giving you deep insights into market trends. One practical use case. You can integrate this sentiment data into your trading algorithms, allowing you to capitalize on shifts in sentiment before they become mainstream. Ready to dive deeper? Check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs for more insights.